If you're struggling with finding the right Call of Duty app, then in this video, I'm going to show you how you can find the app and install it on your Android smartphone or on your iPhone. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. Alright, to get and install the right Call of Duty game app on your smartphone, you need to go ahead and look for App Store or Play Store app on your smartphone. So for my case, I'm on Android, and therefore, if you're on Android, go ahead and find this Play Store app. If you tap on it, now here you can search for your app using the search bar that should be on top here. So first you need to go ahead and log in, and you should see a search bar here. However, if you can see a search bar, you can see I'm missing, then go to search down here, tap on it to activate the search bar, and now just search the app by name. So I'll just search Call of Duty like that, and tap on the search icon here. We shall be taken to this mobile game app, and here it is. So this is the right app. By the time of recording this app had over 15 million reviews with a star rating of 4.6, which means it is highly rated, and the average size is around 1.7 GB, so it is quite huge. You need to have enough space, and currently this game app has been installed or downloaded over 100 million times. So if you see these details, then you'll know that you have the right app. So to get it, I'm getting that this app might have issues working on my phone, but still I can just go ahead and tap on install, and this will go ahead and download the latest version of Call of Duty mobile app. And because it is quite long, it might take some time. Just be patient, and finally it will be installed on your smartphone, and that's it. You'll have your app. So that's how you can install the right Call of Duty game app on your Android smartphone. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.